everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sia, and today I'll be showing you how to make chocolate peanut butter energy balls. These energy balls are easy, delicious, and best of all, healthy. I will tell you the ingredients in this video, but I'll also leave them in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. To make these chocolate peanut butter energy balls, start off by taking the pits out of your dates, if not already. Once you've taken the pits out of your dates, add your dates to a blender, then add half a cup of cocoa powder. Then add half a cup of coconut flour. Two tablespoons of peanut butter. This is optional, but I'm using crunchy peanut butter just for that extra crunch. And finally, for sweetness, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now blend for 20 seconds. Once blended for 20 seconds, add a little bit of water to your mixture. Then blend your mixture one more time. Now roll your mixture into bite-sized balls. This part is optional, but for decoration and extra taste, you can roll your energy balls into some coconut flakes and dark cocoa powder. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you how to make these delicious chocolate peanut butter energy balls. So I'll see you soon. Bye!